What's up, Reg?
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. Not much.
Getting our volume together here. Market kind of doing what I thought it might do this morning. Pop up. Doesn't mean it's gonna continue.
Yeah. Hey, Babel got earnings tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, I saw that. I saw a note on that. So that kind of throw that out the window.
Yeah. I thought about adding on to this darn for next week, adding on to this darn Microsoft, but
See, I like it, man. I still like it. I think it's gonna turn back over, man. Let me
yeah, I like it.
bring up my screen.
Get it for a good price on this breakup, on this little markup here.
So let's see. Let's go to a 15-minute. So you can see it's outside the band. They did try to take this little top out here.
Yeah.
We got close to that 292 area we've been talking about. And it's kind of dancing in that area. So it's strong right now on the small charts. It looks good on the 15, but we want to see if it can maintain itself. And I don't know if it will. I'm looking at, let me see, these bands open, telling me that, I mean, closing. I mean, this move is pretty much coming to an end. Only thing you need is for it to turn over. But if you wanted to add to it, this would be the time to do it up in here.
Yeah, so I thought about adding on the downside. I mean, about 290 for next week.
Yeah. It's gonna dance around a lot in this area.
I think so too.
Yeah, it's gonna dance. Let's take a look at the Qs. Qs look good on a 2-minute right now. 5-minute. Bumped his head on the 200 and stopped. Interesting. 15-minute. Let me see. We probably break through that. No. 15-minute looks strong. Like it's want to keep going up right now.
Yeah, I think it's going to do some things today. It may ride a little bit today. It may ride for this rest of this week. You never know.
Yeah. We're going to I mean, it's supposed to give us a day or two to pull up, but it's still a lot of selling. These charts are still bearish. So, again, this is an opportunity to short this stuff.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. Good pull up today. Good chance to turn.
Yeah,
short the market.
Microsoft giving you that doji on that 15-minute. We 4 minutes left in that doji, 3 minutes left. Giving that gray stone doji, that's usually a reversal sign. If it stay like that, it's like a gray stone doji. This is like a bearish engulfing pattern. If it keeps going down, if not, that's on your 5-minute. Now you don't have confirmation with nothing here yet on the RSI.
Okay.
But again.
But overall, we thinking bearish though, aren't we?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got to, man. I mean, we go to the market chart. Just go to the Qs and we go to that daily chart. You can see we got the downtrend, the B wave, and then we starting another downward move, which I believe can turn into something bigger for some reason. If it doesn't break this area, then we going back up hard. So this area of 333, that's the S&P I'm thinking about. But this is 340, 335. Yeah, as long as it holds that area, this market is bound to try to go higher, man. But this is a support area that's why I thought it would try to bounce today, because this is a support area. And from here, from these 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me. So that's why I figured we might try to bounce today, because these buyers, they're gonna try to hold, man. Because these people don't want to lose no money. So, but if it breaks this area, this 335 and hold, and it keeps going lower, like 332, 333, get down to 330. These people gonna start to panic. They gonna sell, and all the rest of the sellers that's gonna be taking profit from the rallies is gonna be out of here, man. And it's gonna cause this market to drop.
And NVIDIA. I thought about paying NVIDIA for the day for a day trade.
NVIDIA, let's take a look.
That's not gonna dime back down, but it's going back where I like it though. I'm like,
Yeah,
man,
this thing is setting up, man. Not quite ready yet, but it's about to be ready. I tell you that. If you want to get it, it's about to be. I have set it up. Let me see what else is out here. Apple doing. Apple up $1. Google. See what Tesla doing this morning. These I don't have no sales signals yet. They getting there. They trying to come on board.
Yeah, that 5 minute. Yeah, I was thinking the video. I was gonna try that 237 just for a day trade.
Ooh, these China stocks are pretty good too.
The what stocks?
They're China stocks. You said NVIDIA?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay away from it though. I want to.
Yeah, it's not ready yet. They're not ready yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not ready. You want the complete. You want the complete turn, man, on that 2 minute. That's what you want to get on day trade. That 2 minute tell you that it's not ready. It's getting close, but it's not there yet. It's getting.
See, that's funny that I can't. I got 1 minute, so I have to look at the 2 bars.
You can't bring up a 2 minute.
Not on the web base. At least I don't know how to. I guess.
Weird. Huh. Microsoft trying to bounce back a little bit. Market showing a little resilient right now. Oil popping. That might be something to look into because oil is already bullish. Look at that. Bouncing right off that 20.
We were looking at that VLO at one point, wouldn't we?
Yeah, I'm about to look at that now. VLO up 80 cents, bouncing off the 20. Yeah, I mean, shoot. These are the ideal times to buy this oil. Let's see.
Yeah, it's going to skyrocket anyway.
Trying to get back in the buy territory on the longer term intraday charts.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Let me see Ableton. Excuse me. Microsoft. NVIDIA. So NVIDIA trying to come back down, man.
I know. That's what I was just looking at.
Still ain't ready yet, though, man. It's still not ready. This was a massive, this was a nice, strong move up for a lot of these stocks. This thing is holding that gap well, man.
Which one is?
NVIDIA.
See, the video, that's what I'm saying. It's right there, but that 200 on the daily, man, is 230.
Morning.
What's up,
Good
bro?
morning. That's at 230, man. I don't know if I want to touch it. I mean, it's not a bearish stock. It's going in the squeeze, though.
Yeah, the market is not doing anything right now. There's no direction.
That's because it's a bearish market.
Yeah.
They were just talking about, though, the other guy usually does it with. He used to be a hedge fund manager. But this dude is intelligent. He said that, even though stocks are down, he said it's way oversold for one. So they are expecting a bounce. But he said the stocks are just so oversold right now. It's just with like inflation and the tension in the war and everything. So it's possible a bounce could happen. Like,
well, is that
I don't know when, but
is that the area of a bounce? I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Is that the 434 area? I I don't see how stocks are oversold.
Well, like, yeah, a lot of stocks are like PayPal, Square.
yeah, those
Facebook.
stocks are beat up. Yeah, some of those sectors are beat up, but overall, I don't think stocks are oversold. But some sectors,
Yeah, I think that's what they were referring to. I don't think they were saying like all stocks.
Yeah.
Yo, but what's Netflix looking like? I'm just gonna hold it, man. I just feel like it's gonna go down. I don't think it's gonna go up. I'm down right now, but whatever.
It's definitely a bearish stock.
Netflix is bearish. Yeah, it's just bearish, man. You just gotta sit tight on this.
Yeah.
This thing is ADX even picked up strength today, even though it's up. It picked up strength to the upside. I mean, in the downtrend.
You said it picked up strength where?
On the ADX, it picked up the strength. You can see here, it went from 40.8 over to 41.6. That's a big move, man. If you want 50% or more, 50 cents or more. So that tells me that trend to the downside is gaining strength. And that's probably why we're getting this pullback right now. Let me see the video.
And the video, Facebook was going for a little bit. That was like the only thing, but it's dropped back down now.
You could have shorted that thing.
Yeah. It was only up a couple dollars.
Cecil was looking at short. Okay, it's ready
Square
now,
is about to report.
The video ready now.
You think it's gonna do short though?
To go short. It's not the most bearish stock, but
yeah, it's not. I was thinking of short-term call, but I ain't even doing that. At 234 right there in the video, I ain't touching that.
I was shorted. If I'm gonna do it.
Hey, see, so Square got earnings, huh? Thursday.
Oh, they do?
Tomorrow. Yeah.
Netflix, Netflix is good for a short right now. Square is
Reggie.
Yo.
Now let me ask you a question. I know you don't like playing earnings. I know.
Oh, hell.
Was Square having earnings though, and it's already beat down? Can it go any lower? I mean, really?
Yes, it can go lower. It can go to zero, man.
Yeah. Yes. I don't like that.
Jack Dorsey ain't gonna let it go to zero, bro.
Bro, what just happened to? Look at. Let me show you something. Look at this stock. Can't tell me these stocks ain't go to zero. This stock was at $74 in March.
Who was that? I can't see. Oh, where's it at? It says $19.
Yes.
Oh man, I remember trading that last year.
Right.
Do your lotto play, man. Go and do your lotto play.
I might, man. Don't tempt me. I might.
And the video shook me up, man. I don't know which way to go with Square. It looked bearish to me all the way.
Yeah, but I think that's a common misconception, though, too. Like people already know it's bearish, so people try to play it to the downside. Then the market makers will try to make it go up.
So here's the question I got. If Square was at $300 and is down to 90, what will make you say it can't go no lower?
Well, just the backing that it has behind crypto, Jack Dorsey, Twitter.
Well, why would it go from
I think that well, I mean, everything's sold off for real.
So it could still go lower.
But if they come out and say this is our plans, as far as like the future, this is where we're headed, and it sounds good. I mean, I'm just saying, man, it's something to think about. I'm about to look at the options though.
I can tell you this. He got to say something because our shareholders going to be pissed if this stock keep dropping like this. And people losing a lot of money long term on this thing.
Yeah, like for instance, $140 call for March the 25th is
$100. So okay, let's look at it. Let's take a look. Okay.
March 18th. March 18th for 100.
So we know that the prices are jacked up. They're jacked. So you need to go out and you need to get a big move.
Hell, did I just press?
Oh
my gosh.
What you do, man? Ooh, these
you just buy it, did you?
You just bought it?
No, what did I just press though? I can't see my charts.
Uh-oh. At the top, there's like little links up under the charts. You might have clicked on one of those things like active.
How can I like reset like everything? Is there a way to do that?
I'm sure it is, man. Man, if you call them, they'll walk you through everything.
Yeah, they will. Yeah. Man, I'm leaning toward get some more of this. I think I'm leaning toward get some more of this Microsoft.
Yeah,
but I don't know. It's playing up there. I may just put a type stop on it.
Let me see what we
You gotta
get.
be kidding me, bro.
Yeah, it ain't turned over yet to go for short again, but it's definitely set up, man. Yeah, I did see so 292. Just put a stop at 292 and see what happens, bro. It's breaking down right now.
Yeah, but I'm also making money on that other one I got in there.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks good to the downside. I know they got gaps, but everything got gaps right now. They all gonna feel these gaps. They gonna feel these gaps. Oh my gosh. Stretch, man. Let me see.
I gotta hop off at in like a couple minutes. I got a meeting.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Well, this afternoon is what we're gonna really need to look at.
I can't even see my charts, man. Goodness gracious, this is
you can't get back to your chart. Did you?
Thinkorswim is annoying, man.
At the top, no, it's because it's got so much technology, man. What
It's
you
too
got at
much,
the top,
though,
man?
like,
You got monitor, trade, analyze.
No, hold on. I'm trying. I don't even know what I touched. I looked at my phone and then something completely else. I hate Thinkorswim, man. I'm gonna be honest. It's like look at this. Look.
Where you?
Like, what is this, man? Look, I'm about to show you this.
Here, let me show you this. Show you. Oh, you're gonna bring it up on. I'm about to say, share your screen.
Yeah, see, I'm trying.
So you hit.
Man, what is this?
That's like a grid chart, man. People use those. They use like line charts and stuff.
How did I even get to it? I didn't even touch nothing.
Listen, man, at the top, it says charts, right? At the very top of the page.
Right there.
Okay, if you see it says flexible guide, grid, or product depth. You under product depth right now.
Sorry about that, man. Go ahead.
Click back over to charts.
Okay, there we go. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. All right, but what time you guys getting on?
Let's shoot for like 1 or 2. See what this market doing.
All right, I'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay.
So we're just gonna hold tight on anything.
I would just hold tight right now, man. I wouldn't panic too much. If you want to buy Microsoft and just put the stop at 292, that's fine. Looks like the market pushing back up a little bit, so you might get a better price right now.
And see, that's what I was thinking. I think maybe at the end, where we get back on, that may be a good time to say, okay,
yeah,
let me get on this to the downside, and
yeah,
because it's gonna be able to go ahead.
No, go ahead.
It's gonna tell itself by that time. I mean, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna get a pull up, but I do believe that these gaps here on all, because this is on like every chart we looked at on the 2 minute, 5 minute. These guys gonna fill eventually to the downside.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, let's get on this afternoon, man. Or when if this thing turn, we might get on earlier. I'll send out a quick message. But let's see what happens, man. This because the market is weak. It's just having a natural pull up. So we'll take our time with it and go from there.
Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, brother.
Yeah, man.
I'll talk to you, man.
Bye-bye.